Hello everyone. It's 11:32 a.m. in the morning. Well, I got the Chestnut Hill generic brand of pancake mix. And I didn't measure, but I used like four. It was complete pancake mix. Chestnut Hill brand from Family Dollar, and it was $2. It cost $2 a box, and so I mixed it up with some water. Like took some pancake mix and mixed it up with water. I didn't even measure, but I guess I have enough for 3 days. That of the mix that I made, but I can always make some more. And I put like four spoonfuls of coconut oil, I guess, for 3 different little pan loaves. Well, this is how it came out to look. And so I'm planning to drizzle like a couple of spoonfuls of honey on it. Hold up. So I didn't even have to grease the pan because I had microwaved some of the coconut oil, and then I put it inside the pancake batter and then just put it in the oven, and it came out so easily. So this is gonna be kind of corny and weird, but so I put 2 heaping tablespoons of honey on here, raw unfiltered honey on here. Let me see something. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay. It turned out to be extremely moist, sweet, and good. I mean, not microwave. I put it in the toaster oven for 30 minutes, and it turned out perfect.